Hello everyone, myself Kush Pandya. I am fresher at Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, Surat. I am pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication. So this video is about VOV. Now the first question arises in your mind that what is VOV? How it will give benefit to us? How it will give value to us? So for that I gave you a hint. VOV is a platform in which you are learning a new word every week in simple and interesting manner in less than 60 seconds. To know more about VOV, I am launching VOV on my YouTube channel Kush Pandya NIT Surat. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends, families, in which everybody will learn something new. So that's it for the day. Stay tuned.